Good day, it is Stephen David here, and in this video I will show you how to set up the GIMP program for a 4-page landscape. In GIMP it is not so easy just to flip around the A4 page from portrait to landscape. It is best to set it at the very start. If you go to File, New, and you go to the A4, you will see these dimensions of the dimensions of a portrait. So you just have to reset it for the landscape and switch this around. The height becomes a width and the width becomes a height. Let us change it around to 97.01, and then the bottom becomes 209.97. I forgot to say that at the very start you must put this in millimeters or meters, feet, or etc. But it is very difficult to work in terms of pixels. If you want to have landscape or portrait, work with millimeters, depending on your local metric system. Press OK, and there you have a landscape canvas. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video.